Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I'll be having check a na Emma me that's it. All say what subscribe your mommy. Nice one. Shatta Wale is in the news for a very bad news. Very bad news. I made it. They be I say branding no brandy we are Emma said if you be anka home. Over a few whatever weeks or whatever, Shatta ne Lamborghini no he says is stolen. Sabe you could for friend na your friends obetu to be ma remonacha obetu to be ma na sabe asam do koba yehu na no na your friends yoko omo invite no na some detaining no I manager na manager one or no kono eja ya chene client client na product enti ya chesa na so di echi no di echi gidi ya chesa be okọ on ma sabe okọ kika bia na CM but come back to the genesis of it. Blakk Rasta provided with detailed analysis of what really happened before the arrest and why he was arrested. Go Timbra.
Wale was introduced to him and Shatta started renting cars from this guy's car rental company, full of stolen cars. According to Iyoko, this guy brought in more than 100 cars, all stolen. And Shatta Wale goes to this guy to rent the stolen cars. He puts them in his house to show off that he's rich when truly the cars are not his. According to Iyoko. My brother, my sister, I have bought a new car. This is my new car. All those cars, my brother, my sister, a lot of them rented from Boahen, according to Iyoko. In fact, Shatta Wale himself attested to the fact that he is linked to Boahen, and to even make it worse, Boahen himself has confessed to Iyoko that he has been renting cars to Shatta Wale to show off. Now, one of the latest cars that got into contention was that yellow Lamborghini. Call it Lambo for short. Shatta Wale said he bought it for about 150,000 American dollars. Now, according to Iyoko, by the time the car entered this country, the real cost should have been about 400,000 American dollars. Which businessman imports a car into the country and the cost at it is 400,000 American dollars and he gives it out for 150? He must be a thief or a criminal, or he might be giving it out for free. Now let's break it down. According to Iyoko, at the time of buying this car in America, my brother, my sister, this is a 2019 version Lambo. It costs about 300 to 350,000 American dollars. At the time this car was sold in America, at the time Shatta got it into the country, or at the time it was shipped from America into the country, and shipment alone cost 50,000 American dollars. In all, that's about 400,000 American dollars. But Shatta said he bought it for 150,000 American dollars. And Iyoko says there's a problem. But before the alarm was raised,
yes, way sabe oto ade say wo hwe ni ye na wo hwe who you are even dealing with. Ye kwa ghetto a oti ghetto na ye bo pr wo a wo bia ye bechewo ebukura na so for be preach wo ba ye bechewo, because by association you are conniving and involving with whoever is in charge. Boahen in the ones by say bebre o MPP ni yo say cars you are the professionality allegedly. Now no na sabe ye hwe the chat bi mo ye say na Shatta oni ni dealer or rent cars bi one man or no they be just this are my cars e bi na showbiz. We are so to people no obi adi because ebi o wa na ekobi nkwan reverend kwan bibi anim kobi nkwan na woman no bi na Shatta ASC na asem ne ba ye no sabe Ghana for de sukunti yanko sukunti jimie ya mass up na call you office ene behwe kofo o makoho boys amukuba ko paduma bi aye no o kwasi asem ti o makogina ho amudi mani say they should release Shatta eno se yakwani enkomra ekohwe ba kasa. Master, sa training kwasi training na si ejai. Whoever is at fault must face the law, regardless of who you are. Ghana constitution and the law does not obiya when it comes to the law. Even the president is nobody when it comes to the law. Somebody want me catch him. Yenja kwasi asem say obi wo honema politically, celebrity, and whatever. No shete no Jimmy. Jimmy na law ni chewa kwa na beko. Mwana mujira hono masa munye careful because ye jai battalion kakra guma you say guy be no kasa so de bo and we will do what you do no you will be foko untimi ye foko forget it etu kasa si a zo be dwane afi ho yen na ye men kofo bi tumi no mo ye kwase asem in the name of celebrity and politics. Masa, when you fall far of the law, you must deal with the law. And say law no, and you deal it. Okay, actually, you release no. Now, show pictures need be one man. You see the way your secret services are my too low. Sebe, obi timini police ni kasati se ni tipay. Masa, yen judge me no. The uniform must be respected. Meaning, say some of the police people know, SSS they job, but you have to respect the uniform. Because of politics, they kwasi assembly, your man confer the privilege to be talking to our security people as if said they are equal. Masa, may yes are mistaken. Yes, I'm mistaken to do baby. You may be a doctor. And when you now see an election, no, you're releasing no. And I shut us over that remark at Afro was said, you do be say. Time now, not Shatta, oh yeah, you're remark and make catch us a massa. Don't be stupid. Asem naba, you need to have a calm nerve and know what it is. Car, a stolen car. Sabe, any Ghana and Kwao, FBI, no matter tracking car na eduha. Those who are following blindly without you knowing, FBI no more following it is even beyond the powers of Ghana. Now, by virtue say, or yes, celebrating to them say, yeah, America called them. America called them actually. And you know more. The whole world don't be anymore. And not truly. We need to make the laws work. Yet actually, me who say a xenophobic cause in the name of free actually. Because once you commit the crime, you have to face the law. O face the law no na so and one no. But facing na sabe. Why are they any obedem? Timpa bocho. Mo massive ho up. Mungo peduma binye na jimie na ya doso obi kan twi o twi ni ka say this are my cars na me nyina ho bi wo a wo kwagina ho bi ya no uni adwuma yo adwuma ya nka kwagina ho na yin jack ka bensem na kwagina akwa bi a ne se minim so de agency ballot na gu ni simo wo langalanga wo gina na ya ho na wa bodam Xposed FM babu so fresh share mi tu mana saka bi manuasi